Alright, gang. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Alright, so gang, we're back for another video. Alright, so we just ran over basically how to look at how to trade Japanese candlesticks at resistance and support levels. Alright, now we're going to look over the next lesson is common mistakes that new traders make with Japanese candlesticks. Alright, so let's just go over this real fast, gang. Alright, so common mistakes that new traders make with Japanese candlesticks. Here are some common mistakes that new traders also make with using Japanese candlesticks. You try to find meaning in every candlestick that appears on the chart. A lot of time, markets are noisy. Not every candlestick useful when thinking about the future price movements. Instead, looking at every candlestick. Focus on the ones where price is currently trading near the important support and resistance levels. Okay, so instead of just looking at the candlesticks, focus on the ones where price is currently trading near important support and resistance levels. So first identify where you think these levels are, and then start looking out for candlestick patterns. Your imagination is too strong. If you have to zoom into a 500% or squint at the Japanese candlestick chart because you think you're seeing something on a minute chart or something, there's probably nothing there. You don't have to try and assign a textbook label of candlestick formations you see. Focus on finding evidence of strong buying pressure near resistance and support levels, and expect to buy in evidence of strong selling pressure where you can expect selling. So look for strong buying pressure where you can expect buying, and evidence of strong selling pressure where you can expect selling. Your imagination is too weak. Japanese candlestick patterns that are supposed to form after 3 candles based on textbook examples may actually end up forming after 5 candles. So wait for Japanese candlestick patterns to actually form. As you saw, the 3 inside up was a 3 triple. It took a 3 triple candlestick pattern to form for that actual trade to actually trade to change for trends. As you see, it took a triple candlestick pattern known as a 3 inside down pattern to actually trade to switch the reversal of the trade. So sometimes just looking at single candlestick patterns or double candlestick patterns, or sometimes even triple candlestick patterns. Sometimes you have to look at candlestick patterns that we went over. Candlestick patterns is like head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, double tops, double bottoms. Sometimes those patterns also help you determine the overall trend of the actual market. And so you can sometimes actually ends up forming 5 candles. Take 5 candles before the market actually changes. So just because you see 3 candlestick patterns, it might take 4 candlesticks to actually validate that pattern. So this is meaning the same. It's important to understand price action between candlestick patterns than to simply memorize in standard forms. Okay, so pay attention to price action on resistance and support levels and what the candlesticks do around those resistance and support levels. You forget that the forest from the tree. You constantly just focus on the shorter time frame, 5-minute chart. We're stepping back and we're trying to look at the bigger picture. You have to look at the 4-hour, the daily chart. That's the overall trend. So your trade will be seen blindsided. Try not to focus too narrow. You don't want for confirmation. So there's some candlestick patterns that consider self-confirming, but many are not. Make sure you wait until candlestick closes and fully form before acting on patterns. Always wait for the right confirmation that price is moving in that direction you're expecting. For example, if you see tweezer bottoms, it's more potent to wait and to make sure that the candlesticks are dual candlestick patterns and closes higher before going long. Alright, so gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. In our next video, we'll do the summary of Japanese candlesticks. So this is just for your psychology on basically common mistakes that new traders make with Japanese candlesticks. So I hope this helped. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.